Welcome back. We've learned about lists, mutable, and tuples, immutable. Now, let's explore how to easily convert data between these two essential sequence types using Python's built-in functions. 1. Converting list to tuple. To convert a list into a tuple, we use the built-in tuple function. This is necessary when you want to ensure the data cannot be changed afterwards, like securing configuration data. 2. Converting tuple to list. Conversely, if you have a tuple and need to modify its contents by adding or removing items, you must first convert it to a list using the built-in list function. 3. Mutability in action. Now that the data is in a list, we can use any of the list methods we learned before, such as append or remove. Once all modifications are done, you can convert it back to an immutable tuple if needed, for safety or performance benefits. To summarize, use the list function to gain mutability for modification and the tuple function to lock down data for safety or use as dictionary keys. We've learned how to use both lists and tuples. In our next lecture, 04.13, List versus tuple, we will directly compare them to help you decide which one to choose in any given scenario. See you there.